Well, hey, everybody. Hold on, let me adjust this. It's been a while. How y'all doing? I'm supporting my Detroit Lions. They did win last night. I don't have my cowboy hat on today because it is cold. And why is it cold? Because it's wintertime. It's supposed to be cold. I just want to say I've missed you all. There is good reasons why I haven't been doing lives. And I think most of you know the answer, but I'll tell you, there's just certain things we can and we can't talk about, period. And I don't ever want to break guidelines or stuff like that. A lot of people are right now probably talking a little too much about what shouldn't be talked about, just to let you know. But let me see, is this clean? I think it's clean. But I just want to come on here and I want to explain a little bit about Victory with Ash and what it is. So, I think people are really confused right now. And I want to try to sort that out a little bit. And what are they confused about? People are rushing. Oh, and they're panicking. I don't want anyone to panic. And I certainly don't want anyone to be stressed out. Everyone is going to be able to join Victory with Ash. But I want to explain a little bit about what Victory Ash is really all about. And this is something I thought about. This is my opinion. I was thinking about trades. You know what a trade is? Like plumbing, learning plumbing, air conditioning, heating, mechanics. And I thought about this. So, of course, I looked it up, but I already knew this stuff, to be honest with you. And I don't normally like reading, but I want to read you these two things. The first one's about trade jobs. Trade jobs are jobs that require specialized training and skills that are typically gained through hands-on experience or trade school programs. Unlike regular jobs, trade jobs often lead to faster entry into the workforce. Common types are preparation for a vocational training, apprenticeship, all kind of crazy stuff. And then I got into the second part, which is very, very important. I think you should all hear it. This is just the cost of a trade school for mechanics. The cost of mechanic trade school varies depending on the institution, program length, and location. Programs generally take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years to complete, and that price range to take that course is anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000, and that's just mechanics. Let me come back on here. And this is what I'm trying to tell people. Victory with Ash is not about money. All right, it's an educational program. I'm going to put it in my own terms. I don't know if Ash is going to like it or not, but this is how Chris Johnson thinks. What he's going to teach us in there, I believe, is a trade. No different than heating and air conditioning, fixing a car motor, fixing your washer dryer. It's a trade. It's a trade that a few individuals designed for all of us, Free, free. All right, not $1,000, not $20,000. It's free. It's a trade that we are all going to be able to learn. Anybody. All right. It's a trade that we're going to learn about online, marketing, personal skills, how to talk to people, what to say, what not to say. It's a trade, guys. It's a trade that's worked for something for these guys for over 20 years. And I'm excited about that part. All right. But I want everyone to understand a lot of people, what I call, are running red lights. You know what happens when you run a red light? You don't see anybody, so you just take off and run right through it. We have a lot of individuals right now running those red lights. I'm asking you to stop, look both ways, and then move forward. There's rules and regulations to everything we've done, everything we do in our life, period. Whether when we were in school, our first job, there's rules to marriage. You all know about that one. Think about that for a second. Now, ask yourself, are you running those red lights? Yesterday and today, I seen a post of someone saying, they're using my brother Gershmener's face, that when you get into Victory with Ash, you're going to get commissions, and they're showing money signs. That is a false post. You want to know what that post does? That puts stress on people thinking, oh my God, I got to get into this. No, I don't want you to be stressed. Everyone is going to get in. Nothing has started yet. Okay. To my knowledge, nothing has started yet. And I want everyone just to relax and think about, you're about to learn a trade of online business, I think online and offline of everything that's going to teach you something, how to earn an income, whether it's online or just your own personal business. And it's not going to cost you anything. I love the free word. I think everyone loves the free word. But a lot of people are so confused. Okay. Nothing with Victory with Ash has to do with money. It's a free course. I've said that, 18 times now? I'm going to keep saying it. And I haven't been on here for a while. Why? Because I'm very busy doing a lot of other things. And what are those things? I'm preparing my brain to learn everything that's going to be thrown at me when I do get into Victory with Ash. Do you understand that? You guys are sitting there worried about certain things when you should be thinking about your future. Oh my gosh, where is this going to take me? It could take you anywhere as far as I'm concerned, whether online or offline. But it's going to be the best trade you ever learn. I'm sure there's people on here right now that have gone to a trade school and they paid a lot of money for it, whether it's mechanics, plumbing, fixing appliances, heating, cooling, all this stuff I've said 100 times, okay? And you paid out the patooties for it. The patooties you paid out for it. It was expensive. And I tell you what, one of the greatest jobs in the world, as far as I'm concerned, is a trade job, because you learn something. You can take it home with you. You can work from your home with this, okay? No more going to the job. Ask Julie Wen about that one. She'll tell you, okay? Sorry, Julie, had to get you in there. This is what I'm talking about. We are going to learn a trade from the best of the best about how to do many things about business. And I don't even know. But I know I'm excited because it's free. It's not going to cost me 1 red cent, a nickel, about nothing. It's free. And anyone is going to be able to get into this. Just because you haven't got into it right now doesn't mean anything. You will get in it. Trust me. It's all done privately. A lot of people don't understand that. We are getting on here on our lives and we're talking about things we shouldn't be talking about. It's a private organization right now. People are supposed to be talking to people about what it is privately, and then they do some things and they understand if this person's right for them. Do they really want to do it? That's what it's about. I'm probably saying too much right now, but I want to let you all know, don't say the wrong thing. Don't post the wrong thing. All I want you to think about is you're going to learn something that's going to take you a lot of places that you never thought. That's how I think about it. I don't think about the good, the bad, and ugly anymore. I just think about the perfect of what's going to happen when I learn these skills. Where am I going to go with it? Man, Ash Mafaro set it all up. He's making it easy for anyone that can do this, and I'm excited. But again, Victory with Ash is nothing about earning income. Nothing. There's no money involved in it. All right? So take your time, relax, take a deep breath. All right, go out in that cold air in Michigan, take a deep breath because that wakes you right up. Or where Susie McCrae lives, it's like 12 degrees colder, and that'll definitely wake you up. But my gosh, I'm so excited about this. And I really honestly am coming on here. I didn't want to, but I want people to calm down and relax. All right, everyone is going to be able to get into this that wants it, that wants to learn a new trade. Go ahead, go to the school. I love engines. I love working on engines. Okay. But do I want to fork over 20 grand right now to go to a school to learn about mechanics? I don't. I'm a hands-on kind of guy, and I like just doing it myself and learning on my own. But you're going to be able to walk into this Victory with Ash, literally walk into it and learn a trade from the best of the best. That's all I can really tell you about this. But stay patient, stay calm. We want to see everyone succeed no matter what. We have people doing things behind the scenes that you would not believe right now. All right. But I want you to stay calm. I get over 500 questions a day from people asking me things. And you know what? I don't know. I don't know all these questions. All I know is I'm excited that I'm going to be able to get into something at 59. Well, wait a minute. I'm 60. Sorry. 60 years old. And by the way, thank you for all the happy birthdays and happy Thanksgiving. 60 years old, Chris Johnson is coming out of retirement to learn something that's going to completely change my life. That's my mindset. Nothing else. Nothing else is going to change my mind about how great this is going to be for every individual. from 18 to 106 can learn this. If you're willing to learn, if you're willing to do the work. Ash Bafar has told me many times in the last couple of months, Chris, you're going to have so much fun doing this. That was music to my ears. It was music to my heart. It was music to my mind. But I am every single day preparing myself for what's about to happen. And I'm excited about it. Why aren't you? You haven't gotten yet? You will. Don't panic. All right. It's going to be there for a very long time. And when it starts rolling out, man, I'm just excited about it. All right. Let me say hi to a few people. If I can open my eyes, they're frozen right now. Judy Turner Miller, how you doing? Minnow Miller, how you doing? Suker Coomer, how you doing? And remember, guys, I don't know what it is, but for 5 years where I've been doing this stuff in and out, I always see people post something that's so untrue. And what happens, they repost it. Please don't do that. If you haven't heard it from myself, Red, Julie, Susie, Norelli, all these individuals, the OTech pros, all right, we're not telling you that. We're going to tell you the truth. But right now, the truth is a secret. Sorry to say, it's a secret. And there's reasons for that. And maybe someday you'll all understand that. But for now, lose the impatience, man. Just be patient about this. It's going to happen. I work harder on my phone than I worked at Ford in the last 3 weeks, trying to help or give people the right information. The right information is there. And when things happen for you, when someone privately shares a link to you, you're going to understand a lot more and you'll be less, crazy. Get rid of the anxiety. All right. You don't need to be anxiety about this. That didn't even sound right. It didn't, but who cares? All right. Listen to me. Get excited. Stay plugged in. Okay. Stay plugged in. It's going to happen for you. You're going to get, the Oprah thing, how we used to do it. Okay. But I just want you to remember learning something new. Listen, us old guys, 60 years old. I said, God, I used to say to this the last 5 years, I don't want to learn anything new. I just want to be more successful than I already am. And what does that mean when I say that? Is I retired, have a good pension, got some good things going on here, but it isn't even close to how I really want to live my life. All right. Think about that. Where you're at right now, is it going to get you even close to how you really want to live or even retire? I believe Victory with Ash is going to put us in a trade position to learn something that's going to take us beyond. Okay. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to get you excited that there is something that's coming. There is something that's going to teach you how to do things. Forget about the old, bring in the new. Okay. That's what's happening. So please stay patient. Really, really, really. If you got a birthday, happy birthday. I've been doing that religiously. I'm praying for people. Keep that up because it's always nice. And thank you for all the people wishing people happy birthday or praying for people. I do appreciate that. All right, let's see if I can open my eyeballs here. Asif, how you doing? Minnow Miller, you're in purple. I can barely see you. MP Schwaz, Tinker? Is it Tinker? I don't know. That's my eyeballs. Let's see who else is on here. I'm going to get going here in a minute because I have things I got to do. Let me jump up way back up to the top here. Okay. Tom Green, how you doing? Manishi, hey, listen. Forget about negative people, please. Oh, my God. If you let them run your lives, you're going to run yourself right into the ground. Think positive. Wake up in the morning and say, man, soon I'm going to learn something that's going to completely blow me away. Something I've never learned before. Something that only a few people really know how to do. And they're going to teach us that. Think about it. Free. Go and do your due diligence and Google trades, how much it costs to go do mechanics. I just gave you $1,000 to $20,000. Go do plumbing. Go do heating and cooling. See what individuals pay for these training courses. And look what you're going to be able to get into. Okay? A free, what I call brand new trade for me, because I've never known this stuff before. All right? And we're going to explode. Isn't that a great thing? Isn't that great knowing that there's something in front of you that's going to put everything else behind you? Okay, like your worries, your sufferings, you're going to learn something that's going to change the way you think, the way you live, how you act. Respectful. You're going to follow rules. Maybe there's people out there. I was one of those guys that never liked following rules. Now I didn't run no red lights and stuff. And boy, I got a funny story about Bob DeCoucy when I was in Texas with him at 4:30 in the morning. He ran a red light, and it was funny. I'll tell you that some other time. But please don't run red lights. Please stop and look at all directions. Think about something before someone posts, say, man, that don't sound right. If you say it don't sound right, you shouldn't be reposting it. All right. Let's keep Victory with Ash private like we're supposed to do. We could talk about a little bit what it is because we don't really know, but I'm telling you, it's going to be the trade of all trades that you're ever going to see. All right. You can go to those other schools and learn as much as you can, but I believe where Victory with Ash is taken is to learn about everything. All right. I got to get going. If I missed your name, I apologize. I love you all. God bless. It is cold in Michigan because it's wintertime. Sorry, it's hot in the summer, cold in the winter. Usually how it goes, but have a lot of fun. God bless you all, and we'll see you whenever. I'll never know. See ya. Bye.